In our test, we found that the green leafy carrots tended to deteriorate quicker because the green leaves on the top of the carrot tend to suck the nutrients and the goodness out of the carrot below. In every test we conducted, the carrots that lasted the longest were the carrots that we purchased in plastic bags at the store, whether they were organic or not. If you happen to get a good deal on carrots with the green leaves on top, you're going to want to remove the green leaves as soon as you get home. So what is the best way to store carrots at home? Well, we discovered that the best way to store carrots is in your refrigerator, but it's all about moisture and temperature control. It's probably no surprise to anyone that the best place to store carrots in your refrigerator is in the crisper drawer because the temperature there is about 35 degrees. What will surprise you coming up is the best way to store carrots in the crisper drawer. We tried storing them in the drawer, uncovered, just laid out, but that didn't work. We tried to put them in a Ziploc bag and seal it up, but that didn't work. We immersed them in water, but that just made them too soggy. So we thought, what the heck, let's use aluminum foil, and that didn't work well either. It turns out that the best place to store carrots in your refrigerator is in an open Ziploc bag in the crisper drawer. Now, we got this tip from our friends over at Cooks Illustrated. Thanks, guys.